extreme winter storm is unfolding right now, and conditions are rapidly deteriorating.
News governors in multiple states at this hour warning millions of Americans of a catastrophic winter storm just now starting to hit. At least 17 states declaring states of emergency.
Dropped by double digits compared to yesterday, and even here in Dallas, we're
an ice and snowstorm will shut down travel across the United States.
Tonight, the Arctic blast's frigid introduction, slamming the country with snow, sleet, and freezing rain, set to impact more than half of all Americans.
Biggest snowstorm of the decade, and we're on the Yazma I-10, seeing how it handles in the snow. It's my first time taking the Yazma I-10 in the snow. Let's see how. No front fender. No wheelies either. That was me slamming on the brakes. What?
Did you drag me in snowboarding?
Yeah. Here, someone drag. I'm drag someone.
It's slow.
Well, it's one person only.
No, what's this?
It's gonna kill my battery.
Just go slow. Like,
Okay, Kason first.
keep it in one.
You can drift this thing. Hook up on this side. Give me the thing. Who's first?
First to get in.
Well, trust me, I got it. We're good. I know how to do it. If I can drag Wyatt in this, I can drag that. Or if I can drag Wyatt safely, I can drag that safely.
How did it not get caught up in the wheel?
Because I keep my leg out here to make it stay right. And then I don't turn left.
I'm glad it didn't snow. No, there's straight ice under all this.
I'm ready. Wait. I'm ready.
Got hooked up. He's flying. We're on 22. Shoot. He's flying. Oh no, he's gonna get in the wheel. Oh dude, we're flying. Gonna do like the trick. Go! You can drift. Oh, ow! That hurt. Yazma I-10 is handling the snow so well. We hit combos in the snow. No wheelie, sadly. Where's Luke? Probably went to the golf course. It's so slick. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. As always, like and subscribe. I had an awesome time filming this. And see y'all in the next video. Cheese!
Yeah, I'm on my